Tired of complicated international money transfers? Today, we're walking Canadians through the simple steps to create your own Worldremit account. First, head to the Worldremit website. Once there, look for the sign up button, usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Click it. You'll be prompted to fill out a registration form. This will include creating a strong password you will remember and entering your full name, a valid email address, and a Canadian phone number. Make sure all your information is accurate to prevent any issues later on. After filling out the form, you'll need to verify your account. Worldremit will send a verification code to your email or phone number. Enter the code into the designated field on the website. Once your account is verified, you're nearly ready. Now, specify your currency preferences. Worldremit offers multiple options tailored for Canadians, including a variety of available currencies to send money to. This allows you to tailor your transfers to your specific needs. You'll also select your preferred payment method. Canadian users can choose from options like debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. If you're paying with a debit card, you'll need to provide your card details. To verify your account, Worldremit may ask you to upload some documents, such as a governmentist ID or proof of address. This is part of their security measures to ensure safe and secure transactions. Make sure documentation is clear and easy to read. Once the verification is complete, you're all set. You can now begin sending money internationally with ease, knowing your transactions are secure and efficiently processed. Enjoy sending money with Worldremit. Don't forget to like and subscribe.